Slugs eat pumpkins, which was kind of the idea, but I'm talking about Slug today. My name is Sam. I used to work at Microsoft on the web browser, and now I'm building Slug. Slug is a desktop app that syncs your browser data to the cloud. And if you're a developer, you can ask the user to access that data, and then you can do things with it. So in the demo video, I'm going to walk through an end-to-end example, both as a developer and a user of Slug. So in this demo, let's say that we have a health and wellness app. We count calories for people. And so we want to know when people are a little bad and they go to DoorDash and they order food. So what we're going to do is ask our users to give us permission to access their DoorDash account. So we're going to create a slug. And what a slug is a scoped request to access your browser data, your cookies, at a specific domain. So we're going to put in our app name. We're going to describe what data we want to get and how we're going to use it. And then we're going to put in the domain that we want to have access to, which is DoorDash. Specifically to look at order history and then count your calories and see when you're slipping up. So this is going to be the authentication page that your end user is going to see. And with that, you've created your slug. It's just defining a domain. When you click on the slug, you'll see this table. There's no one who's actually authenticated, given us access, so it's empty. But when they do, you can see their authentication status. And this will be the page that they will see that you can embed into your app to get that access. So that's all it is for a developer. Now, as a user, you can download Slug onto your desktop and install it. It's currently compatible with Chrome, so you'll be asked to choose the profile that you would want to sync. Any second now, there we go. So you can choose which profile you would want to give this developer access to. And as you can see, sync is automatically turned off, and you have no grants. So, OK, as a developer, I set up my request. As the user, I have Slug on my computer, and now I put somewhere in my health and wellness app this prompt, and the user will go to click on it and say, yes, I want to allow you access to my DoorDash account. If I don't have Slug, I'll be prompted to go download it, but because we've already downloaded it, we're going to open Slug, and just like that, we've granted this developer access. At any time, you can revoke that access, so they can no longer use it, and then you can restore it. And so just like that, you have your browser data being synced, and this developer can now get those cookies. They can log into your DoorDash, look at your orders, and you can now do this for any domain, any web page you want to go to by bringing in that browser history from your users. And so here I have my DoorDash cookies. Please don't write those down. So that's Slug. And we have a managed solution. So if you want us to run a headless browser for you with those cookies, or even on device, we can do that. And in the future, we're going to support passwords, autofill, even like session history, if that's useful data, and let people be more granular about how they do their scopes. And so if you can think of any domain on the web where you would want to access someone's data or take action on their behalf, you can use Slug to get that scoped, secure, permissioned access as a desktop app. Thank you.